Hi everybody, Professor Benlin with a motivational video to get you psyched about Unit 3, give you a look ahead on Unit 3. First thing I want to say, there's a little bit of a change with our chat schedule for this week. I apologize, there's a scheduling conflict that I couldn't avoid, and I will be conducting chat number 3 tomorrow, July 14th from 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Also, I really need to hit home your Unit 2 due dates. Your Unit 2 discussion board original post was due yesterday. If you have not done it, please turn it in. You have upcoming your Unit 2 discussion board responses due Tuesday the 16th. Please get those in because after the 16th, the responses will no longer be accepted. So please get this in, get things done, get it turned in. Don't let things snowball, please. Your Unit 3 due dates are as follows. Your Unit 3 determined knowledge is going to be due Friday the 19th. And your Unit 3 IntelliPath is going to be due Tuesday the 23rd. So please get these assignments in. You can do it. I know you can. And if you have absolutely any questions, please feel free to contact me. Remember, the only silly question is one you do not ask. And I emphasize getting in that Unit 2 discussion board original post if you already haven't. And please, I cannot emphasize how important it is to get the responses in by Tuesday the 16th. Okay, everybody, let's do this. We get those assignments in. Stay strong. We can do this. Let me know if you have any questions and have a great week.